Hello everyone, my name is Vihan. Today I am going to tell you about Dussehra festival. Dussehra is the most popular festival of Hindus. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. Dussehra signifies the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravan. On this day, effigies of Ravan burned by people. Ram Leela is also organized on this day. We celebrate Dussehra in the month of October or November. We visit the fairs on this day and enjoy. Celebrate Dussehra after 9 days of Navratri. Dussehra reminds us that we should follow the path of truth like Lord Rama. Jai Shri Ram. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon for the notifications. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.